Always remember you have a huge advantage already, because even if you are broken up, in all likelihood, your ex still has you on their mind. And if your ex has you on their mind, you can use this to get an advantage, right? What I am going to talk about in this video will put you in an excellent position of power that will make your ex miss you. Doing the things I will talk about in this video will put you in a good position where it's not going to be even difficult to get your ex to desperately miss you. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Make your ex think you're over them. I know the storm of emotions that arise after a breakup can affect your behavior for a long time. Your task is not to give in. A lot of women and men stalk their ex after the breakup. They write them angry messages and emails, call them in the middle of the night and throw a fit, which is ugly behavior. If your end goal is to release negative emotions, perhaps this option will bring you relief. But it is unlikely that any person will feel attracted to someone who cannot control their behavior and is clearly insecure. So what should you really do? Enjoy your free life. You probably think, how can I enjoy life if I am constantly thinking about my ex and have problems with sleep and concentration? So here's a counter question for you. Do you enjoy being in this emotional hole, slowly losing your taste for life? Remember, your ex wants you to cry and suffer after they have left you. Even though you're hurt and humiliated, don't give them such pleasure. I want you to try to smile more often. Be friendly and good-natured. If you bump into their friends or get a chance to catch up with them on social media, tell them you are doing great. Do not talk to them about your ex, the breakup, and how difficult it has been for you to cope. Because you are talking to their friends, they will update your ex on everything about you. Play it cool, calm, and composed. If possible, invite them for a drink or a party and enjoy yourself with them. Let them believe that you are handling the breakup just fine. If they bring up the topic, be calm and listen to them. Once your ex knows this, they will even try to reconnect with you and mend the relationship. Your avoidant girlfriend or boyfriend wouldn't want to return to you if you were a pathetic version of you, because it's not sexy. Your fast recovery will mess with the mind of your ex-boyfriend or girlfriend and make them feel intrigued and miss you. So, it's time to change your attitude and start leading a fulfilling life again. As long as you hold on to the past, you are emotionally dependent on your ex. You create a situation where other people control your feelings. I want you to flip the script the other way around and start enjoying what you do and who you are. I want you to convince yourself, or even pretend, that everything is fine until it eventually becomes a reality. Doing this will make your avoidant ex to believe that you aren't suffering from the breakup and are living happily without them. You can only make them regret hurting you and miss you if you begin enjoying your life. Do something fun. Explore new things such as playing the guitar, painting, and hiking. Be kind to yourself and learn to see your inner beauty that your ex didn't notice. Over time, your positive sides will become visible to everyone around you. And if after this, your ex-boyfriend or girlfriend does not want to return you, they are not worthy of having you and will never make you happy. So, why should you waste your time on them? Number 2. Stay in sight but limit contact with your ex. Even if you just broke up, in all likelihood, based on science, your ex still has you on their mind. They say distance makes the heart grow fonder. Calling or texting your ex continuously after the breakup can be annoying and damaging for reconciliation prospects. Think about this for a second. You text your ex that you miss them, only for them to not respond back. Is that what you want? Not texting them in the first place is exactly how to get your ex to miss you and text you first. Look, your ex is still trying to come to terms with the breakup and may not be in the frame of mind to think and process your messages correctly. So, whatever you try to say will be futile and will confuse and agitate them further. What I want you to give them their space and let them realize the repercussions of your absence from their life. I want you to practice no contact. Besides, when you maintain contact with a romantic partner who dumped you, then they will know you're still on the hook. Your ex is now sure that you're crying in a river after they have left you. Don't give them such pleasure. Yes, you're hurt and humiliated, but your ex doesn't need to know about it. When something is easy to get, it loses its attractiveness almost entirely. So, how do you do no contact? I want you to set a time frame, and most importantly, stick to it. Avoid crossing paths with your ex if you live in the same town, as accidental encounters can complicate the process. The duration for this rule differs, but as a common guideline, try at least 5 weeks or 55 days of no contact. This duration provides plenty of time for reflection, healing, establishing new routines, gaining clarity on the good and the bad of your past relationship, and focusing on becoming a better version of yourself. If you are not making yourself actively available to them, then they will start to crave you even more. People want what is out of their reach, they value what they can't have. In this case, silence is one of the best things to say to make your ex miss you and want to get back together. This time apart will make your avoidant ex miss the post-breakup you even more. I know no contact can be hard, especially if you have the instinct to call or text your ex. I also understand how hard it can be to control yourself when you are in an emotional state and you miss them a lot and just want to reach out. But trust me, following the no contact rule is worth the benefits you will get in the long run. Implementing this rule isn't about punishing your ex or playing mind games. It's a period of emotional detoxification for both of you. It's a time for you to prepare for the next chapter of your life, whether that includes your ex or not. Number 3. Become successful. When I use the word success, I do not mean you have to win a Nobel Prize to make your ex sorry they dumped you. But becoming more successful than you were is undoubtedly an unexpected turn of events, especially if you are a man. Maybe your ex has overlooked something in you, an extraordinary talent, for example. The mystery is attractive, and so is a new job or hobby. What can you do to look more successful? First, I want you to assess your strength. For example, maybe you want to start a small business that you have been putting off for a long time for various reasons. Even a career transition to a more promising one can make your ex-girlfriend or boyfriend regret losing and miss you. How will your ex find out about your achievements? Mutual friends and social media accounts will likely mention exciting news to your ex, sometimes purposefully and other times accidentally. Either way, it'll do the trick. These simple things will boost your confidence and give your avoidant ex an impression that you are doing fine without them. This will force them to think more about you and make them express their true feelings for you. Like the video and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video.